forward edge check engine light diagnosis. Initial code scan showed 3 codes. P202 for injector number 2, open circuit. A p302, which is a cylinder number 2 misfire. And a third code, I don't remember the number, but it was a misfire during initial startup. I just got back from a 40-mile round trip test drive. The vehicle will not misfire for me right now. Here's the cylinder balance. It shows misfires and everything. See those nice and gray in the middle right there? And all these right here are misfires, but these are very minor. All cars look like that. If you see one that has all these grays that are down there or up there, that means that there's a major misfire that would set the check engine light. And I cleared the check engine light before I left and it didn't come back on. It hasn't misfired. And I also idled it inside the shop for almost an hour and a half before I took it for a test drive. With it being a 202 injector circuit with the 302, I'm leaning towards it having a random injector electrical failure, and it might only be doing it when it's cold. So I'm gonna let it sit overnight and rescan it in the morning and see if it starts misfiring heavily on the cylinder number 2 right here, and we'll try again.